Yes, Akhil, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Good evening. So you shared your doubts. Okay, I will go for that. Chalo. So what is the first question you had? Find the shortest distance between the skew lines. Find the shortest distance between the skew lines are 6i plus 2j plus 2k. Okay, plus t I minus 2j plus 2k. And what is that given? F, right?
Yes. Yeah.
I think as per something given, 1 second, let me look at the question R value and R, two R's given. There is okay. So let us give some other name to this one. Okay, let's give anything. He
Yes.
has given R. He has given R. What is that? Minus 4i minus
Yes.
k plus s into 3i. Where S and T are what? They are scalars. Am I correct? Scalar.
Yes.
Hope you are aware of what is a scalar, what is vector. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shortest distance between what we need to find out shortest distance between this. Okay. So basically, how these vectors are looking like. Look at this. How these vectors are looking like. For suppose, look at this. This is my A1 vector. Let's say that. This is my B1 vector. Okay. Let's
Yes.
consider this as A2 vector, and this consider as B2 vector. Okay.
Yes.
So how can I write this? Or let's give some other name better. This को. You give something K vector. Okay. मैंने कुछ भी ले लिया इसमें. Okay. So A1 vector plus this one is vector only, right? I need to write vector in vector. Vector
Yes.
T B1 vector and he has given R only. Let's take R, no problem. Whatever it is. Okay, let's take R so that you will not get confused afterwards.
Yes.
E2. It's not like you can take, you cannot take, you can take, no problem. Okay. Basically, we have a formula. What is the shortest distance between, this type of equations? Do you remember the formula?
Shortest distance.
Yes, it's a very, very good formula, very, very important formula.
Yes. This distance means root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole
No,
square.
no, 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 no. It is not that one. Shortest distance.
Modulus of c by root over a square plus b square.
That is different. Let me tell you one. This is between. You are saying modulus of c divided by that is this one. Not
Yes.
that one. That is a perpendicular distance from a perpendicular distance from an origin to line formula. Okay. If you have a
Yes.
point, if you have a line, let's say that
Sir, when this
this is a line. Let's
a, yeah,
that is different. Okay, that is different. Look at this. Shortest distance between this,
this is
Q line.
a1 plus a plus b plus c by root over a square plus b square. That
No, no, no. Let me tell you. Wait. Look. See, we'll be writing always modulus b1 vector cross product b2 vector dot a2 vector minus a1 vector modulus divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. Okay, let's do
yes.
this. Let's do this here. Here we know that what he has given r vector is given as, I mean, we got this one as, I mean, we took this as what, a1 plus t b1, we took that. All right. So what is, in fact, what is the a1 here given? What is a1 vector?
a1 6i plus 2j plus 2k.
See, this one and this one both are r only, right? So can you compare both the things? Can we compare?
Sir?
Can we compare?
Yes, we can. Yes.
So let me write here. Let us write one by one everything. So I know that A1 vector is what here? What is A1 vector? 6i plus 2j plus how much? 2k. Am I correct?
2K. Yes.
B1 is what here? If you want to write neatly, see, need not to write everything, for your understanding purpose, I'm writing each and every step. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay. Now this thing we know here. And what is one more thing we know? R vector is equal to A2 vector plus SB2 vector. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Let's write what is A2 given? Minus 4ak.
Yes.
What is B2 given? Minus 3i2j minus 3i minus 2j minus 2k. This is what given here. All right. Yeah.
Yes.
Now what I have to do here? Simply you just compare. Basically now we need what? What we need here? We need A2 minus A1. Look at this here. What are the things we need here? A2 minus A1 I need. B1 cross B2 I need. B1. Okay, here magnitude of B1 cross B2 I do. Okay. This is what we need basically. Okay. So for doing that, what I need here. So basically you, one second, let's do one thing. Okay, let us write like as we wrote in the first one. Okay, this is A2 and B2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So basically now here we need what? What are the things we need? We need B1 cross B2.
Yes.
Okay, we need to find out this. We need to find out this. We need A2 minus A1 as well. Okay, we need to find out this. If you know this, after that I can find out magnitude of that very easily. Correct. So A2 minus A1 how much?
A2 minus 7.
How do you find out A2 minus A1? Look at this here. Corresponding coefficients I write. Basically, look at this here.
Yes.
Minus 4i minus k. Okay. Minus A1. 6i plus 2j plus 2k. Correct?
Yes.
So minus 4 minus 6. How much? Minus 10i
Yes.
minus
3.
2j
Okay. Oh,
minus
2. Yes.
3k. Correct?
Minus 2.
Hope it is
Yes.
clear. You're not lagging with anything. You hope it is clear.
Yes.
It's
No,
pretty simple,
very
actually,
clear.
right? Yes, very clear. Now, what I need here, if you know this formula, after that, pretty simple actually. If you know this formula, very simple. Okay, what are the things I need here? Oh, one second, one second.
B1 cross
I need
B2.
this one and this one. Okay, okay.
Yes.
I just found this B1 minus B2. How much we got? We got something minus 10 minus. Okay, better देखो कभी भी whenever you want B1 cross product of two vectors, how do you find out? We'll take determinant of that.
Matter. Yes. Determinant.
Okay, first we'll write only two vectors here, right? So we'll write first, row with ijk, and we'll write coefficients of b1 and b2. We'll write coefficient of b1 and b2. Look at it here, 1 minus 2, 2 coefficients, right?
Yes.
1 minus 2,
Yes.
2. And b2 is what? 3 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, so let's write that. So 1
Yes.
minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2 minus 2. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Correct? Very simple. Next, how do you find out determinant? Basically, look at it here. We'll just do this. I is equal to 4 plus 4 minus
Yes.
j minus 2 minus 6
Minus 2 minus 6.
plus k is equal to how much? Minus 2 plus 3.
2 minus 6.
8i minus 8j plus k. Correct?
Sir, K minus 2 minus
Minus
6.
plus 4k.
Plus 6. Plus.
1 second. K minus 2 minus 2.
Plus. Sir, here once K is minus 2 plus 6.
Minus 2 plus 6. So here minus 2
Plus 6.
minus 2 plus 6. Yes. So 4k you will get it. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So somewhere calculation you have to look at. Okay. What we need here? We need in the formula, we need magnitude of this. Correct? What is the magnitude? We'll just write 8
Root
square.
over a square plus b square plus c square.
Okay. Like we don't have anything like big thing over here to learn. Very simple actually. See how smoothly, peacefully we can learn this. So 64 plus 64, 128 plus 16 gives me 144. Am I correct?
Yes.
So 144 square root of 112. Correct?
Yes.
See, all about learning the formulas. If you know the formulas, just nothing. See,
Yes.
what we need here, look at this here. What I need here. So I just found this. Dot product of these two things. Be careful. Dot product. You can't simply dot product. Be careful. Dot product. Look at this. So we got 12 here.
Yes.
Where is that? Okay, here. This one and this one. Okay. So dot product of these two results. Okay, dot product. How do you just go about dot product? Basically, look at it. Whenever I have A1, A2, A3K, I mean B1, B2, B3K, how do I do? A1, I mean A1 into A2. Let's write that. One second, let me write here.
Yes.
Let me write here. So here I'm writing here so that it is easy for me to, it is easy for us to explain. And okay, dot product. So what was the result of this? Minus 10, 9, minus 2J, minus 3K, dot B1 cross B2. What is that? 8I plus 8J
Plus 4k.
Pretty simple. So basically what I do here, look at this, I just multiply their coefficients, minus 8, minus 10. That is what the dot product. Hope you are aware of this.
Yes. Yes.
Correct? So plus 2 minus 3. Am I correct? So 8,
Yes.
minus 16 minus 12. How much you get here? 1 minus 108. Okay, 108.
Yes.
So this is what my dot product. Dot product. Look at
Yes.
this here. And what was the magnitude of this? This is what I got. So look at this now. What was the formula?
We're getting minus.
Yeah. 1 second. Let me take this.
9.
Take this down. So okay. This is the what was the result of this? Magnitude of minus 108 divided by 112.
12.
Correct?
That is 9.
12 ones, 12 nines. So magnitude of minus 9. Magnitude can't be negative, so it becomes positive. Answer is 9.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Clear? How simple it is. So all you have to do here is look at this formula. This formula makes you makes you to go in the right path. If you do not know this formula, like you have to scratch your head again and again, just think over and over. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so make sure that you are knowing the formula very simply. If you do not know the formula, we have to scratch our head. That's it, isn't it? If you know the formula, you can smoothly, peacefully, you can calculate it without any doubt, actually, isn't it? Nothing. Very simple.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Hope you know what is dot. How do you do dot product? How do we do cross product?
Yes.
Very simple. If you know this,
yes, I know.
Pretty simple, actually. Next question. Okay. Second question actually very simple actually. Point A given, point B given, point C given, point D given. Find the distance between AB. What is the distance between AB formula? Okay, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you. First, suppose. Let's suppose we're talking about 3D geometry, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We're talking about 3D here. X, Y, Z. Okay. Let's say that X you have X comma Y. I mean. X, Y, Z. Okay, so let's say that you have a point, any point. Let's say that A1, I mean X1 comma Y1 comma Z1. Okay, and let's say that if you take if okay, any point you have, let's say that X2 comma Y2 comma Z2, then I'm asking you to find out distance between this A and B is what? Very simple. The formula which we learned in 9th standard, again I'm applying here, but only one coordinate is extra here, which is Z, right?
Yes.
X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square plus Z2 minus Z1 whole square. Khatam. If you know this formula, nothing to worry much. Nothing to worry much. Very simple. Now just look into the question. Let's have a look at the question. Look at the question which you gave to me. So A and B. Point A given what? 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. Point given B given 0 comma 4 4 comma 0 comma minus 3.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Point C given find the distance between the AB and CD. He's asking us to find AB and CD. Very simple.
Yes.
कोई बड़ी चीज है. Very simple kada. Look at this. X2. What is it? X1 Y1 X1 Y1 Z1 X2 Y2 Z2. So X2 minus, so 4 minus 1 whole square. I'm writing directly. Can I write directly?
Yes.
Look at this. So 3 square 9 plus 4. How much? Minus 2. So 4. How much you left with? 17. Correct.
17 root 1. Yes.
CD. Look at the CD. What is CD? So 2 minus 1
Yes.
whole square. 4 minus 4 whole square. Minus 5 plus 1 whole square. Correct. Yes or no? So 1
Yes.
minus 6 whole square 36 minus 4 whole square 16. Yes or no? So
Yes.
how much you left with now here? So 37 plus 13 53. Correct? This is the answer.
Yes.
Copy this, make it fast.
Yes. Sir.
Next. So what is the next question you have?
Yes.
Okay. So next we have if A and B are AB, what is given? A, B and C are three vectors, then show that. Are you preparing for JEE mains as well?
Sir,
Are you preparing for JEE mains?
J means yes. Currently, I'm preparing for IP exams.
You are in class 11 or 12?
11, sir, 11.
Okay. This is for IP only, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
IP on.
Yeah, IP only. So vectors for CBSE students, vectors will be in class 12. For board
Yes.
students, it will be in, I think. Okay. So what we need to prove here first? When what is the first question? What we need to prove? A cross B cross C is equal to A dot C B minus. I think this one we need to prove. Am I correct?
Yes.
Check once what they are given. Okay. I mean A dot B dot. How can you prove this? Very simple actually. One second, I think I don't know, it's lagging. Pen is lagging. LLM. Okay. No, no, no. Yeah, it is. No, it's there.
Purple.
No, no, I'm not. Wait, 1 second. I think. It's there. Check. Yeah, check. Yes. So what is this? Okay, let's see this. Is this the question? Check once. A, B, B, C, right?
No, sir. No.
Can you give me the question once? B, C. Yeah, B, C. I think A. Correct. This something.
And here A cross B cross here A cross B brackets, sir. That bracketing.
Oh, okay. Okay. How do we go about this? Tell me. Very simple question. So pretty simple. Think.
First do cross product, I think.
It's very simple. You can tell me that. I mean, just idea.
That means for both sides do cross product. Here on left side do cross product and right side dot product.
Okay.
And check whether if it's equal or not.
Okay. Correct. Tell me.
I think so
See,
that much only.
yeah. Very simple. Very simple. Look at this way. For suppose, I'll give a hint. Will you be able to solve this?
Yes.
Let's take R. I'll give a hint. Very simple. So let's say simple RHS we need to prove. Okay.
Yes.
Let A cross B cross. Okay. So do you know one thing here? We are talking about cross product, correct? Cross product.
Yes.
What is the cross product of the two vectors is perpendicular to both vectors or not?
Sir.
Cross product of two vectors. Is the vector perpendicular to both vectors or not?
Yes.
We learned this. So can I write now? Can I write this as? Can I write this as R? Can we write? I mean, sorry, perpendicular. I said right. Perpendicular is nothing
Yes.
but R is perpendicular to A vector as well as, I mean, A cross B to A cross B. Okay, and R is perpendicular to C vector. Correct?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
cross product is a vectors. Cross product of two vectors is a vector perpendicular to both vectors, which is nothing but देखो R is a perpendicular to this as well as perpendicular to this. That is the meaning of that.
Yes.
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 Now, very simple. Look at this here. What is the meaning of this? Vector. What is the meaning of it? But B cross C is what? I mean, sorry, A cross B is what? A cross B is nothing but what? Is a vector perpendicular to both B, A and B? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very simple, beta. Okay.
Yes.
B is a vector perpendicular to what? To the plane of B and C vectors. Correct. So sometimes I might write this. What is the meaning of this B vector? Okay. Okay. Be careful. So how can I write this now? Which is nothing but this is now R is perpendicular to this. So R lies on what? R lies on the plane. Which plane? Plane lies on the plane. Correct. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Next, see, we will be having one formula in terms of scalars. We have formula. What is how can we write this? X A cap plus y b cap. For solving this
Yes.
type of question, we'll write this. I'll be consider this as first equation. Okay. Okay. Or else,
Yes.
I don't want to consider. Let us consider the first equation. I don't want to consider this. Let us second equation. No problem. Any doubts? Very simple, actually.
No.
Very simple. This is a way of doing. Now here, see here. Now we were talking about A cross B, right? Now let's talk about R is perpendicular to C. Let's see that. Okay.
Yes.
Now, so perpendicular dot product is nothing but what? Now, see, when two vectors are perpendicular to each other, what is the dot product? When can you say they are perpendicular? When A dot B is equal to 0, then only you can say that A is perpendicular to B. Hope it is clear.
Yes. Yes,
See,
sir.
if how why this tell me? When theta is 90 degrees here, then only this is A vector, this is B vector. When can you say that A dot B is equal to 0? If they are perpendicular to each other, then only how? How
Cos
is that?
theta is 0.
Yeah, very good.
Cos 90 90.
Yeah,
Cos 90 is 0.
very good. Exactly. You're right. Okay. For
Yes.
everything, there is a huge story behind that. Let us not repeat again and again. Okay. So now what was that? R dot, R perpendicular to C. Okay. So R dot C vector. They both are perpendicular, so dot product is equal to 0. What is R vector
Yes.
we got here? X A cap plus Y B cap dot C. Okay.
Yes.
So what can I do here? Just simple multiplication. So
Yes.
x into A vector dot C vector plus y into B vector dot C vector is equal to 0. Khatam?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
This can be written as C vector dot A vector plus this can be written as C vector dot B vector is equal to 0. So now I can happily write this as how C vector A vector is equal to minus y times of C vector B vector.
Yes.
Khatam? Happily,
Yes.
peacefully we can write that. Now, so what is the meaning of this? Basically, look at it here. Shifting. Now x by can I say C vector dot B vector is equal to minus y divided by C vector dot A vector. Can I
Yes,
say
sir.
this?
Yes.
Keeping bringing here. This I'm just shifting this side. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Hope you are aware of. Hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. What I'm writing here.
Yes. I know. I know.
అర్థమవుతుంది కదా?
Yes.
Look at this here. Here I have somewhat. Now can I write beta this one as? Can I say this full as any scalar? Let's say that lambda. Let us consider lambda.
Yes.
Okay. If I do that, so what would I left with now? C vector is equal to lambda. Then look at this here. X is equal to lambda times of C B. This is what we learned.
Yes. Yes.
Now, in fact, you say is equal to lambda. Is equal to lambda here. If I equal to the lambda, then this is equal to this. Then this is equal to this. Yes or no? Two
Yes.
times. Now, what I'm going to click it here now? Y is equal to what? Minus lambda times of C cross here.
Yes.
I'm not doing anything here. Very simple. Very simple. Equating with the lambda. That's it. Hope. Let me write one more.
Yes.
Hope you are getting what I'm writing here. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. This is what we can write. Now, simple look at this. I got x and y values. I got x and y values. I just substitute in where? In equation
Yes.
number 2. That's it. Khatam.
Yes.
So R
Yes.
vector is what here? X A Y B, right? X A Y B. तो x vector ये हो गया मेरा
Yes.
into x A plus y. What is y here? Y is this one, right? In fact here lambda y b, y this one.
Yes.
So be khatam. Very simple. Taking lambda common. How simple it is. So let's write this as C vector dot B vector dot A vector minus Oh, what was the second equation? This was my second equation, right?
Yes.
So substituting the second equation. Look at this here. So lambda. So next, what can we write here? A cross B cross C. This, what is the answer of this? 1 second. What is the answer of this? This one was A cross B cross C. Am I correct? That is
Yes.
what we were solving. Am I correct? Look at this here, this one.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to what can you write? So we can say this thing as something. What was our requirement? A dot C, A dot C B minus B C A. That is what we need to
Yes.
prove. Look at this. We got very simple, isn't it? So lambda times of
Yes.
A, I mean C dot B A vector minus C dot A B vector.
Yes.
This was my requirement, pretty simple. So this identity, look at this, this is an identity. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is a vector
Yes.
identity. It is true for all vector A, vector B, and vector C. For all
Yes.
ABC vectors.
Yes.
అప్పుడు నేను ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు దీన్ని చక్కగా వాట్ కెన్ ఐ సే మనం క్యా బోల్ सकता అభి therefore A vector cross B vector cross C vector is equal to, it is true here, that is the, lambda is a scalar. Can I say simply C dot B vector A minus C dot A B. So this is what I need to prove. Hence prove. Khatam. Similarly, you can do the next question as well. Ardhaminda?
Yes, sir.
Next, similarly, you can do the next question as well. No problem at all.
Yes, yes.
What we had to prove here? This is what we had to prove. I think 1 second, somewhere we wrote what is the requirement actually? ACB or BCA? ACB.
ACB minus BCA.
దెన్ మనం ఎక్కడో ఒక దగ్గర తప్పు రాసాం. అయితే ఎక్కడో ఒక దగ్గర రాసాం. చూడు ఎక్కడ రాసాము. మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తున్నాము? ఇక్కడ ఇది కాదు.
Yes, yes, yes.
Something we wrote wrongly here. ఇక్కడ మనము
Here second step.
Yeah.
AC wrote C.
AC ఇక్కడ
Yes.
BC.
BC.
కథం అంతే వచ్చేసింది, ఏం లేదు అక్కడ. A
Yes.
డాట్ C B డాట్ C అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? B డాట్ C ఇక్కడ A డాట్ C అవుతుంది. ఏం లేదు, చిన్నది అంతే. ఓకేనా? B డాట్ C ఇక్కడ उल्टा पलटा इन अंते, जस्ट उल्टा पलटा बन गया था, बस कोई नहीं है. ठीक है, स्मॉल चेंज, खत्म. ఏం లేదు అక్కడ. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ రాసేస్తావు కదా ఇంకా?
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా ఏం రాశాను నేను ఇక్కడ?
అర్థమైంది.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ బీసీ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ y = lambda టైమ్స్ AC వస్తుంది కదా. అప్పుడు ఏంటిది? ఆర్ వెక్టర్ లాంబ్డా బీసీ ఏ వెక్టర్ ఓకే. లేకపోతే ఫస్ట్ లేకపోతే సెకండ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడమే. ఇది వచ్చిందా? మళ్ళీ ఏమైనా తప్పు రాసామేంటి? కాదు కదా. అంటే ఇక్కడ రాసిందే మళ్ళీ కరెక్ట్ రాయాలంతే, ఏం లేదు అక్కడ. ఇక్కడ AC డాట్ Cలో అవన్నీ కరెక్ట్ రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది. A dot C, B dot C. ఇది by ఇది and y by this. Correct. Okay. దాని తర్వాత just look at this here. What was my first equation? I mean XA, I mean second equation, XA YB, right? XA
Yes.
YB. A dot C B. Khatam. Okay.
Yes.
సో మనకి ఇదే కావాల్సింది అక్కడ,
Yes.
ఇదే కావాల్సింది. ఓకే, మైనస్ ల్యాండా కామన్ తీస్తే, ల్యాండా కామన్ తీస్తే వచ్చేసింది, చూసుకో. ఇంకా మైనస్ ఉల్టా పల్టా ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఏ డాట్ సి క్రాస్ బి మైనస్ బి డాట్ సి ఏ. అవునా కదా? ఇదే
Yes.
కదా, దీన్ని ఇక్కడ రాసాను, దీన్ని ఇక్కడ రాసాను, మైనస్ కామన్ తీసి సరిపోయిందా?
Yes.
ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ట్రూ ఫర్ ఆల్, దిస్ ఈస్ ట్రూ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఏ వెక్టర్, బి వెక్టర్, సి వెక్టర్.
Yes. Yes.
క్లియర్, అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నా.
Yes, అర్థమైంది.
నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేశాను చెప్పు, ఇది తెలియాలి మనకు. ఇది ఈ రిజల్ట్ తో ఆర్ వెక్టర్ ఇస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు దిస్ గై యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ దిస్ గై. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ డూయింగ్ దట్ వాట్ కెన్ ఐ డూ యాక్చువల్లీ? ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ బి టేకింగ్ దిస్. ఇక్కడ ఆర్ అనేది ఏ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్, బి కి కూడా పర్పెండిక్యులర్. సో వెన్ నౌ ఆర్ డాట్ సి, ఐ మీన్ ఆర్ ఇస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు సి ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ డాట్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి 0 యాజ్ పర్ ద కండిషన్ విచ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ హియర్. అక్కడ నుంచి ఆర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ నార్మల్గా ప్రాపర్టీ అప్లై చేసి లాంబ్డా అనుకొని ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ వై వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ తిరిగి దాంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే నాకు వస్తుంది. వెరీ సింపుల్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వెళ్ళలేదు, ఒక నిమిషం అఖిల్, 1 minute. జస్ట్ షట్ అవుతాం, షట్. No, 1 second. No, yeah. Yes, Akhil. Next question, tell me. Next question ఏదో ఉందిగా చెప్పు.
Yes. Find the equation of plane passing through the point A is equals to 2, 3, -1, B is equals to 4, 5, 2, and C is equals to 3, 6, 5.
And C is equal to
3, 6, 5.
Yeah. No, not a way at all. టూ కమా త్రీ కమా మైనస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ 1.
Yes, -2, 3, -1.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మా ఇంట్లో బుడ్డోడు వాడు బాగా సతాయిస్తా ఉన్నాడు. లేదు, చలో.
Yes.
Right. Yes. చలో, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్. ఏం కనుకోవాలి మనము? వెక్టార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏం కనుకోవాలి? ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద
Yes, equation of the plane
passing through
the point.
ఫర్ సపోజ్ దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు చూడు, ఒక వెక్టర్ అంటే ఒక ప్లేన్ లో ఇది ఎక్స్ వై జెడ్ కదా. సో ఇది 2, 3, 1 ఇచ్చాడు అనుకో ఏ పాయింట్. ఓకే, 2, 3, 1 ఇచ్చాడు. దీని కాంపోనెంట్ ఫామ్ ఎట్లా రాస్తాను నేను? దీని కాంపోనెంట్ ఫామ్ ఎట్లా రాస్తాను నేను? కాంపోనెంట్ ఫామ్ 2i క్యాప్ ఇట్లా రాస్తాం కదా.
Yes.
గుర్తొచ్చిందా?
3j cap -1k cap.
దీన్ని 4i అంటే చాలా మంది పిల్లలకి ఏంటంటే అది తెలుసు కదా, పేరేంటో తెలియదు. ఏదో ఉంది సార్ అని. అవునా?
Yes. See 3i cap plus 6j cap 5k.
Very simple. We need vector equation. మనకు vector equation, you know, vector equation కావాలంటే ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్లేన్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ దీస్ పాయింట్స్ అన్నప్పుడు ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది. ఏం ఫార్ములా నేర్చుకుని ఉంటావు? వెక్టార్ ఈక్వేషన్. ద వెక్టార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏబి క్రాస్ ఏసీ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇదే వెక్టార్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఏబి అంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడు, ఇక్కడ నీకు అర్థం కాలేదు అనుకో, నేను చెప్తాను చూడు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏబి ఎలా సార్, ఏసీ ఎలా సార్ అంటే, ఇప్పుడు చూడు, ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఒక వెక్టర్ ఉందబ్బా. ఓకే, ఇది ఏబి వెక్టర్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సే దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఏదో ఒక బీసీ వెక్టర్ అనుకో, దిస్ ఇస్ సి వెక్టర్ అనుకో. ఇప్పుడు ఏసీ కావాలంటే మనకి ఏం చేయాలి? ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఫాలో అవుతాం కదా. అంటే ఏసీ కావాలంటే ఏంటిది? ఏసీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఏబి ప్లస్ బీసీ కదా. అవునా కదా? ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తున్నాయి? ఇది ఒక ఆరిజిన్ అనుకుంటే పొజిషన్ వెక్టరే కదా. 1 సెకండ్, అయితే నేను దీన్ని కొంచెం కరెక్ట్గా తీసుకోవాలి ఇట్లా. అప్పుడు 1 సెకండ్. ఓకే, సి అనుకుంటే ఇది ఏ వెక్టార్, బీసీ బి వెక్టార్, ఓకే సి వెక్టార్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఇక్కడ ఏసీ వెక్టార్ని ఏ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు? యాజ్ పర్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ లా ఏబి వెక్టార్ ప్లస్ బీసీ వెక్టార్ కదా. అవునా? ఏబి వెక్టార్ ఇది ఏ వెక్టార్ కదా, బి వెక్టార్ కదా, అంటే సి వెక్టార్. అంటే సి ఏంటిది? ఏ ప్లస్ బి వెక్టరే కదా. అవునా కదా? ఇదంతా కాన్సెప్ట్ గెలిచే ఉండాలి. డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. నేను చెప్తాను ఒక నిమిషం. ఓహో, ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక పొజిషన్ వెక్టర్ అంటే ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటాం ఆల్వేస్. దీని నుంచి దీనికి, దీని నుంచి దీన్ని, దీని నుంచి దీన్ని. ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ ఒక ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి వస్తూ ఉంటాయి అనమాట. ఓకే, ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి వస్తూ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి, అంటే విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఆరిజిన్ విల్ బి టేకింగ్ ఆల్వేస్. ఓకే, సో అప్పుడు మనకు ఏసీ ఏమవుతుంది? ఓసి మైనస్ ఓఏ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఏబి ఏమవుతుంది? ఓబి మైనస్ ఓఏ అవుతుంది. అవునా? బీసీ ఏమవుతుంది? ఓసి మైనస్ ఓఏ అవుతుంది. సార్ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఓసి ఎవరు, ఏసీ ఎవరు, ఓఏ ఏంటి, అసలు ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు?
origin to that point.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
Origin to point.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి ఇది ఏబి కదా, అంటే ఏబి అంటే ఓబి మైనస్ ఓఏ కదా. అవునా కదా? ఇది బి మైనస్ ఏ రాయొచ్చు దీన్ని. ఓసి అంటే ఏంటిది? సి మైనస్ ఏంటిది?
ఏ ప్లస్
సి మైనస్ ఏ. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? ఓసి సి మైనస్ ఏ. ఇప్పుడు చూడు, సిమిలర్గా ఇప్పుడు నేను బి మైనస్ ఏ కావాలి నాకు ఇక్కడ. అంటే దీన్ని ఏ విధంగా రాస్తాను నేను? ఇదంతా స్టోరీ అవసరం లేదు, నీకు అర్థం అవ్వాలని చెప్పాను అంతే. అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఏబి నేను ఏం చేస్తాను? నేను ఏబి అంటే ఏంటిది? బి మైనస్ ఏనే కదా కదా, ఇక్కడ రాస్తుంది. అర్థమవుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నా. ఏసీ ఏంటిది? సి మైనస్ ఏ. ఇప్పుడు చూడు, నాకు బి మైనస్ ఏ కావాలంటే నేను ఏం చేస్తాను? ఇది మైనస్ ఇది, 5 మైనస్ 3, 3 మైనస్ 1. అవునా కదా? తెలుసు కదా నీకు. మళ్ళీ సపరేట్గా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకేనా? బి మైనస్ ఏంటి? బి మైనస్ 4 మైనస్ 2 ఎంత? 4 మైనస్ 2 ఐ క్యాప్ 2 జే క్యాప్ 1 కే క్యాప్, I mean 3 కే క్యాప్ in fact.
3.
క్రాస్ ప్రోడక్ట్. ఇన్ ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఇది క్రాస్ ప్రోడక్ట్. బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకో, ఇది ఫార్ములా ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? నేను డైరెక్ట్గా రాసేస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, CA ఏంటిది? C minus A. So I cap plus 3J cap ఎంత? ప్లస్ 6K cap.
Yes.
అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ
Advance.
ఇది మైనస్ ఇది చేస్తున్నాను, కరెస్పాండింగ్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ తెలుసు కదా ఫార్ములా ఎట్లా
Yes.
చేస్తారో అది. ఇట్స్ అ
Yes.
వెరీ
Yes.
సింపుల్ థింగ్ యాక్చువల్లీ, ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ బిగ్ డీల్ అట్ ఆల్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఆర్ మైనస్ ఏ కదా, ఆర్ మైనస్ బి, ఇతని కూడా రాసేద్దాం. ఆర్ మైనస్ ఏ, ఆర్ వెక్టర్ మైనస్ ఏ, ఏ అంటే మైనస్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయడమే కదా, మైనస్ 2i
Yes.
మైనస్ 3j ఎంత? ప్లస్ కే క్యాప్. అవునా కదా?
Yes.
ఆర్ మైనస్ ఏ
అవును.
మైనస్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, బేసిక్స్ చాలా బేసిక్. ఓకే, క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఎట్లా చేస్తాం? ఈ రెండు క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఇందాక చెప్పాం కదా, డిటర్మినెంట్ అని. అవునా కదా? ఫస్ట్ ఐ జే
Yes.
కి రాసేస్తాం,
Determinate.
2
Yes.
2 3 1 3 6. అర్థమైందా?
3 6. Advance. 12.
దీని ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పు నాకు. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ ఇది ఈక్వల్ టు 0 కదా.
Yes.
ఆర్ మైనస్ చెప్పాలి, దీని ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుంది?
The answer 3i cap minus and
నీకు దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేది వెక్టర్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంతే, ఇంకేం లేదు.
research.
సో వై ఐ ఎంత? 12
3.
12 మైనస్ 9.
3i cap minus this 9j cap minus 9j cap plus 2, 6 minus 3k cap.
ఐ థింక్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఎక్కడో మిస్టేక్ చేసాము. ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఇది ఒకసారి చూడు, బి మైనస్ ఏ కదా, బి మైనస్ ఏ 2 మైనస్ 1, ఇక్కడ బి మైనస్ ఏ 4 మైనస్ 2 2 సరిపోయింది, 5 మైనస్ 3 2 సరిపోయింది, 2k మైనస్ కరెక్టే కదా, 3k కదా ఇక్కడ.
Yes. 3.
ఇక్కడ ఇది మైనస్ ఇది.
Yes. 3 only.
3 కదా.
Yes.
3 అంటే కరెక్ట్ కదా, రాసింది కరెక్ట్. చూడు ఏమవుతుంది ఆన్సర్.
3i cap minus 6j cap plus 3.
3 yes, 3i minus j, how much? 12 minus 3 9 కదా. 12 minus no 12
minus 3, yes, 9. Yes sir.
అవునా కదా, ప్లస్ k క్యాప్. k క్యాప్ ఏమవుతుంది? 6 minus 2 4. అవునా?
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు చూడు ఇదే కదా వెక్టర్ ఈక్వేషన్, 3i minus.
Yes correct. Yes. Yes.
ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? ఇవే కదా నువ్వు అడిగిన డౌట్స్.
Yes, that's it.
Apart from this, anything else?
No.
Okay, hope it is clear with you.
Yes, clear.
అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎనీ డౌట్స్? హలో, ఎనీ డౌట్స్?
No sir, no more doubts.
Yeah. So yeah, are you preparing for IPE? How it's going on?
Yes, fine.
JEE?
JEE preparation started May.
JEE, sorry. Sorry.
JEE is also, sir.
JEE also.
Fine. My college is going to start competitive track from May.
Okay. Akhil, I'll be sharing this link to you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Yes.
Do you want me to do you want to say anything apart from this?
Sir.
Hello, do you want to say anything? Do you want to ask anything?
So that's it.
Okay, thank you.